FYAK. What if you could explore the water in a kayak that combines human power with electric drive? The Pedayak Electric is the world's first electrically powered kayak and one of the smallest existing electric boats. This hands-free kayak combines pedal power with an electric motor, making it fast, maneuverable, stable, and versatile. It measures 360 by 73 centimeters, weighs 44 kilograms, and can reach speeds of up to 10 kilometers per hour with a 300-watt, 24-volt motor. With pedaling, it can operate for up to 7 hours. And without pedaling, it can run for around 3 hours at an average speed. The Pedayak Electric is also environmentally friendly, producing no CO2 emissions during operation, while remaining silent and using 100% recyclable components. It can also be equipped with a sail and configured in trio, prow, grand prow, or duo versions, allowing it to carry up to 5 passengers. So, get ready to explore the water with the Pedayak Electric. CAPTN Viaro. What if crossing an urban waterway could become quieter, cleaner, and more intelligent? Caption Viaro is a groundbreaking project designed to transform urban water transportation, developed by a team of designers from the Caption Initiative and Muthesius University of Fine Arts and Design. This autonomous electric ferry aims to connect the western and eastern shores of the Kiel Fjord in Germany. The project features 2 distinct concepts, floating platform and passage, with both focusing on intelligent mobility and sustainability. Powered by electricity from renewable sources, Caption Viaro is designed to provide quiet, emission-free travel, offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional transportation methods. By integrating smoothly with local bus services, Caption Viaro aims to deliver a clean, efficient, and attractive transport solution, potentially changing how people move across urban waterways. Chase Zero. What happens when hydrogen power meets high-speed marine technology? The Hydro Chase boat, also known as Chase Zero, is a cutting-edge hydrogen-powered hydrofoil created by Emirates Team New Zealand for the America's Cup. This innovative vessel can reach impressive speeds of up to 50 knots, or 57.5 miles per hour, while cruising comfortably at 35 knots, or 40.2 miles per hour. With its sleek, high-tech design, it offers a range of 180 miles, approximately 300 kilometers, on a single hydrogen charge. Powered by Toyota hydrogen fuel cells, Chase Zero can accommodate 6 crew members, providing a clean, efficient, and high-speed alternative to traditional chase boats. Deep flight submersible. What if an underwater vehicle could move through the ocean like an airplane? Today, we're diving into the world of marine engineering with Graham Hawkes, the mastermind behind the Deep Flight Super Falcon, a $1.7 million underwater airplane. This submersible vehicle, featured in a Bloomberg video, is capable of reaching depths of up to 300 meters, around 10 times deeper than a scuba diver. Equipped with 4 propellers that can be tilted to adjust buoyancy and speed, the Super Falcon can carry 1 pilot and 1 passenger, with a range of 20 kilometers. The video showcases the Super Falcon in action as it travels underwater, while also exploring the challenges and opportunities Hawkes faces in developing this innovative technology. From technical challenges such as corrosion, noise, and power supply to inspiring more people to pursue their dreams, Hawkes shares his vision for the future of underwater exploration and transportation. Next, dive into the exhilarating world of water sports with the flyboard, an ingenious invention by French writer Frankie Zapata that lets you soar above the water like a superhero. 4th generation. What does the next generation of underwater mobility look like? In the world of special operations forces, the evolution of equipment is essential for mission success. Enter the 4th generation Diver Propulsion Craft, or DPC, a cutting-edge underwater vehicle designed for SOF divers. This advanced technology represents a significant step forward, incorporating improvements in propulsion systems, battery life, speed, and maneuverability. The DPC serves as a valuable tool for divers who require greater range and rapid navigation underwater. While specific details may remain classified due to the sensitive nature of military operations, the continued development of this high-tech equipment highlights the commitment to providing elite forces with advanced tools for underwater missions. For the latest information and verified details about this remarkable advancement in underwater mobility, keep an eye on official military sources and announcements. Jet ski. What makes a personal watercraft stand out when speed and control matter most? The Kawasaki Jet Ski Ultra 310 is built for thrills on the water, powered by a supercharged 1,498cc inline four-cylinder engine. It delivers rapid acceleration and impressive speed, while its deep V-hull design provides excellent handling and stability, even in challenging conditions. The Ultra 310 also comes equipped with advanced features, including Kawasaki Smart Reverse with Deceleration, KSRD, launch control, and a 7-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Combining advanced technology with everyday convenience, the Ultra 310 is ready whether you're racing, carving through the waves, or simply enjoying an exhilarating ride. Nemo Promo. What if exploring the deep sea could become more accessible than ever? Meet Nemo, the latest innovation from U-Boat Works' range of manned submersibles. This remarkable two-seater submersible is rated to a depth of 100 meters, opening the excitement of deep-sea exploration to a wider audience of ocean adventurers. Nemo stands out with its innovative design, personalized for individual use, making it one of the most sophisticated pieces of underwater technology available today. It's also approximately 80% more affordable than other submersibles on the market. The Nemo is equipped with a spherical viewport, battery-powered electric propulsion, advanced safety features, and air conditioning. It's capable of diving to 330 feet and is maneuvered by 4 electric thrusters, including 2 vertical and 2 horizontal thrusters, with an average speed of 3 knots. The Nemo is the world's only series-produced submarine and has been recognized with a Red Dot Award for design excellence. Scubster. What if you could explore underwater environments using nothing but your own power? Dive into the fascinating world of underwater exploration with the Scubster, a pedal-powered submarine designed by French engineer Stéphane Roussin. While it isn't typically associated with aerobatics, the Scubster offers a unique approach to underwater mobility, allowing individuals to pedal their way through submerged environments. Imagine the experience of propelling yourself beneath the waves while exploring the underwater world in a compact and streamlined submersible. Although the Scubster may not perform traditional aerobatic maneuvers, its innovative design demonstrates the potential of human-powered propulsion beneath the surface. For the latest developments and underwater adventures involving the Scubster, follow official sources and continue exploring the fascinating world of aquatic technology. A350F. What does the future of air cargo look like when an aircraft can carry massive loads while using far less fuel? The Airbus A350F is the next-generation freighter designed to transform the way goods are transported around the world. Based on the highly successful A350 family, this purpose-built cargo aircraft can carry up to 111 tons over a distance of 8,700 kilometers, while reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions by up to 40% compared with older freighters. Its large main deck cargo door allows oversized items to be loaded more quickly, while shared cockpit systems and tooling with passenger A350s make integration much more seamless. Built with advanced lightweight materials and designed to operate with sustainable aviation fuel, the A350F brings together efficiency, flexibility, and sustainability in one modern freighter. With strong market demand from airlines such as Starlux and MNG Airlines, this aircraft is positioned to become an important part of tomorrow's cargo operations. And from transporting cargo across continents, the focus now shifts to something completely different. Airspeeder, the world's first electric flying car racing series, combining the excitement of motorsport with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology and taking racing into the sky. Acro, EVTOL. What if a personal flying machine could perform precise aerobatic maneuvers while operating from a yacht or along the coast? The Klasarov Acro is designed as a personal aerobatic flying machine for yacht and coastal operations. It uses 6 Cyclotech County Route 60 cyclo rotors that provide full 360-degree thrust vectoring, allowing 3D maneuvers, precise hovering, and very compact landings on yacht decks without requiring a traditional helipad. Its 3D printed airframe, battery electric power system, dock and bottom charger, ballistic parachute, and structural harness are designed to deliver quiet, low-emission flying with an ultralight approach and without requiring a traditional pilot license. And as personal flight technology moves toward more automated systems, the mighty Flycento enters the picture. It is a third-generation autonomous hybrid electric EV cargo drone optimized for AIRSPEEDER. What happens when the technology of electric vehicles meets the excitement of motorsport in the sky? Airspeeder is bringing that idea to life with a new kind of racing series built around electric flying vehicles. Developed by Alauda Aeronautics in Australia, the series features the remotely piloted Airspeeder Mk3 and the upcoming Mkv, described as a crude hydrogen-electric flying racing car capable of reaching speeds of up to 360 km per hour. It can also accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 30 seconds. The races take place on digital sky tracks equipped with augmented reality gates, creating a futuristic racing environment high above the ground. Advanced safety technologies, including lidar, radar, and machine vision, are designed to support close yet controlled competition. Launched with the EXA series in 2022, with crewed races scheduled for 2024, Airspeeder is redefining the idea of motorsport and bringing the concept of flying car racing closer to reality in the skies.
Bellwether. Imagine a vehicle that could move through busy city streets and also take to the air when needed. That's the idea behind the Bellwether, a revolutionary concept designed to transform urban transportation by combining driving and flying capabilities. This electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle features a sleek, aerodynamic design along with advanced autonomous flight systems for user-friendly operation. With sustainability in mind, the Bellwether uses electric propulsion to reduce emissions and noise pollution, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional vehicles. Its modular design also allows for versatile applications, serving both personal transportation and emergency services. This positions the Bellwether as a significant advancement in urban mobility, with the potential to help reduce traffic congestion and improve travel efficiency in cities. And from futuristic urban transportation, we now move toward an entirely different experience, the luxury capsule Space by Space Perspective, an innovative space tourism concept featuring their spaceship Neptune. Blue Ring Pathfinder. What if the future of space isn't just about reaching orbit, but about having the right tools to operate there for years? Blue Ring Pathfinder is a cutting-edge space platform designed to support a wide range of missions in orbit. Think of it as a high-tech space tug capable of transporting, deploying, and servicing satellites across different orbits, including low Earth orbit, geostationary orbit, and even deep space. Powered by efficient solar electric propulsion and built around a modular design, Blue Ring Pathfinder can adapt to commercial, scientific, and national security missions alike. It is designed to remain in space for extended periods, operate autonomously, and even support the development of long-term infrastructure in space. With this platform, Blue Origin isn't simply focused on space travel. The goal is to build the tools needed to stay and operate in space over the long term, representing another step toward a more connected and lasting human presence beyond Earth. And now, from a future-focused space platform, we turn to a spacecraft with a very different history. Chevrolet Chaparral. What if a concept car could combine the feeling of flying with the performance of a futuristic race machine? The Chevrolet Chaparral 2X Vision Gran Turismo is a futuristic concept created for the Vision Gran Turismo project, inspired by innovative race cars from Chaparral Racing and Chevrolet. This revolutionary vehicle is conceived as a Garage 56 Le Mans experimental prototype, combining the sensation of flying in a wingsuit with the excitement of a MotoGP race bike. It features a unique laser pulse shockwave propulsion system designed to deliver rocket-like speed and an exhilarating driving experience. The concept has a claimed top speed of 250 miles per hour, or around 402 kilometers per hour, with a 0 to 60 mile per hour time of just 1.5 seconds. The Chaparral 2X VGT reimagines the future of motorsports with its advanced technology, futuristic engineering, and bold design. And next, we move from this extreme racing concept to the Jump Aero JA1, a cutting-edge
EVO 810. What if regional aircraft could combine electric flight with the proven benefits of hybrid propulsion? The EVO 810 is designed for 76 passengers, with service targeted for the 2030s. Strong hybrid PT6-based turboprops paired with electric motors are intended to enable all-electric takeoffs and landings, along with electric flights of up to 500 nautical miles. The hybrid system is designed to extend the aircraft's overall range, with an 86,000-pound motor configuration aimed at routes below 500 nautical miles. Optimized for efficiency, reduced emissions, and lower operating costs compared with legacy turboprops, the aircraft is also designed to offer cargo and defense variants. Falcon. What does the future of premium aviation look like when performance, technology, and comfort all come together? The Falcon 10X is designed to deliver exactly that. Powered by advanced Rolls-Royce Pearl engines, it offers impressive range, strong efficiency, and an exceptionally quiet flight. Inside, it features the widest and tallest cabin in its class, creating an environment focused on outstanding comfort, cutting-edge technology, and a refined luxury experience. With its sleek aerodynamic design, fly-by-wire controls, and strong focus on sustainability, the Falcon 10X represents the future of elite air travel, bringing performance, innovation, and comfort together in a seamless package. And now, moving from a large luxury business jet to a more compact aircraft, the Daher TBM 940 stands out as an aviator's ultimate single-engine turboprop, delivering jet-like speed while maintaining the practicality of a turboprop aircraft. FIXAR. What makes a drone truly useful in demanding real-world operations? The FIXAR 025 is designed to bring both range and flexibility to autonomous flight. With a 300-kilometer range, up to 3.5 hours of flight time, and a 10-kilogram payload capacity, it is ideal for precision mapping, infrastructure inspections, aerial imaging, and surveillance. Powered by AI-driven autopilot technology and equipped with advanced safety systems, it is built to provide reliable performance during complex operations. Its customizable design also allows different sensors to be integrated for specific missions, making it a versatile tool for industries such as agriculture, construction, and security. The FIXAR 025 is helping set new standards in drone technology. Now, let's explore how autonomous flight is transforming the future. NASA's X-59K SST is a revolutionary supersonic jet designed to fly at Mach 1.4, or around 925 miles.
Flying car. What if urban transportation could move through the air while using electric power and advanced flight technology? The City Airbus NextGen is an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing prototype designed by Airbus to help revolutionize urban mobility. With its sleek design, fixed wings, V-shaped tail, and 8 electrically powered propellers, the City Airbus NextGen offers an 80-kilometer range and a cruise speed of 120 kilometers per hour. It is designed for various urban missions, including medical services, shuttle services, and ecotourism. This innovative vehicle represents a vision for the future of sustainable urban transportation. Airbus is collaborating with global partners to develop the necessary infrastructure and safety standards, helping ensure the seamless integration of electric vertical aircraft into city environments. Experience the future of transportation with the Airbus City Airbus NextGen, where advanced technology meets sustainable urban mobility. And now, from electric aircraft to a vehicle that takes an entirely different approach. The Volkswagen Hovercar, a visionary concept vehicle designed to use magnetic levitation to float above the galaxy of happiness. What does luxury on the water look like when speed, comfort, and exploration come together? The Galaxy of Happiness is a motor yacht built in Latvia by Latitude Yachts and delivered in 2016. She is one of 2 Galaxy models, with a top speed of 30 knots and a maximum range of 2,300 nautical miles while cruising. Power comes from 2 MTU diesel engines. The yacht can accommodate up to 6 guests in 3 staterooms, supported by a crew of 6 ready to provide assistance throughout the journey. The vessel has a gross tonnage of 299 GT and a 17.44-meter beam. She was designed by Cuz Design and Partners, which also completed the naval architecture. The company has designed 6 yachts and created the naval architecture for 4 yachts. Her interior was designed by Latitude Yachts, while the yacht itself uses a GRP teak deck, GRP hull, and GRP superstructure. Now, from a luxury motor yacht.
Hercules. What makes an aircraft remain essential for decades after its first flight? The Lockheed C-130 Hercules is a perfect example. This legendary 4-engine turboprop military transport aircraft has been in continuous production since its first flight in 1954. Making it one of the longest-serving military aircraft in history. Renowned for its versatility, The Hercules can operate from unprepared runways for both takeoffs and landings. It has been used for a wide range of roles, including troop and cargo transport, medevac missions, the AC-130 gunship, search and rescue, aerial refueling, and support for scientific research. With more than 2,500 aircraft built and operated by over 60 nations, the C-130 Hercules remains a vital asset for military forces worldwide. Inland LNG. What happens when two experienced inland shipping companies combine their knowledge to develop a new generation of LNG transport? Two leading players in inland shipping have joined forces under the name Vicodin LNG, creating a major step toward realizing an inland LNG transport corridor and supporting LNG bunkering. During the second day of the Construction and Shipping Industry Trade Fair in Gorancham, the two inland shipping companies signed a collaboration agreement and introduced the first result of their partnership, an innovative design for a new inland LNG carrier. The new tanker is 90 meters long and will be capable of transporting up to 2,250 cubic meters of LNG. It represents an important development in inland LNG transportation and builds on the experience of both companies. Veka was the first Holland-based shipyard to deliver a seagoing LNG carrier with LNG propulsion, the Pioneer. Meanwhile, Knutsen Dean Shipping has developed and operates the world's first LNG-propelled inland tanker, Argonon. Jet Zero. What if the shape of a passenger aircraft could be completely redesigned to make air travel more efficient? The Jet Zero Z4 aims to revolutionize aviation with its blended wing body design, carrying up to 250 passengers across more than 5,000 nautical miles for transcontinental travel, while targeting a 50% reduction in fuel burn per passenger mile compared with conventional jets. Twin high-mounted Pratt & Whitney PW2040 turbofans power the high-lift, low-drag airframe. The aircraft is designed to be compatible with sustainable aviation fuel and existing airports, while its elevated engines are intended to make it quieter as well. Inside, the spacious cabin offers wider aisles, larger seats, dedicated overhead bins, and faster boarding through a wide main door. With a targeted entry into service around 2030.
Jetoptera. What if a vehicle could fly just above the surface of the water while combining the features of an aircraft and a hovercraft? That's the idea behind the Jetoptera wing concept, a futuristic design created for fast, low-altitude travel over water and flat terrain. It uses Jetoptera's fluidic propulsion system, or FPS, which replaces traditional engines with a distributed air thrust system designed to provide quieter and more efficient lift and propulsion. The wing-in-ground effect design takes advantage of ground effect, where flying close to the surface creates additional lift and stability. The concept is designed to reach speeds of up to 200 knots, or around 230 miles per hour, while traveling just meters above the ground. This vehicle could be suited for coastal transportation, rapid rescue operations, or luxury travel along waterways. With its sleek and sustainable design, the Jetoptera wing concept presents the potential for a different approach to overwater transportation, offering a quieter and greener alternative to helicopters and seaplanes. And next, we move from this futuristic wing concept to the Leo Coupe, a futuristic.
Mighty Flies. What if cargo could move through the middle mile without relying entirely on traditional delivery aircraft? The Mighty Fly Cento is designed for autonomous hybrid electric logistics, with a payload capacity of up to 100 pounds, or 45 kilograms. It features 8 VTOL propellers mounted on fuselage parallel booms, along with a pusher propeller for forward flight. The aircraft also uses a canard, a high wing with winglets, and a carbon fiber construction. The Cento can cruise at around 150 miles per hour, or 240 kilometers per hour, with a range of more than 600 miles, or 965 kilometers, on a 4-hour flight. Its rear-loading cargo bay can accommodate up to 212 small packages, while distributed electric propulsion provides redundancy for landing capability even if some propellers fail.
Monotrack BiC. What makes this bike so unusual is the way it moves on a single track. Made from materials such as steel or aluminum, the track is attached to the bike's frame, while the rider sits directly on it and controls the bike by leaning to the left or right. Monotrack bikes are often used for off-road riding because they can handle rough terrain better than traditional bikes. They are also sometimes used for racing, as these unique bikes can be surprisingly fast. Building a monotrack bike is a relatively simple project that can be completed using basic tools and materials. With its unusual single-track design, it can even work on grass and other uneven surfaces.
NASA's What makes a drone truly useful in demanding real-world operations? The FIXAR-025 is designed to bring both range and flexibility to autonomous flight. With a 300-kilometer range, up to 3.5 hours of flight time, and a 10-kilogram payload capacity, it is ideal for precision mapping, infrastructure inspections, aerial imaging, and surveillance.
Quadrifoil. What if an electric jet ski could actually rise above the water and glide on hydrofoils? The Slovenian-built Quadrifoil Q2S is designed as an electric watercraft that combines the feel of a jet ski with the efficiency of foil-assisted travel. One of the key ideas behind the recent growth of electric boats is the need to reduce drag, and the Q2S takes advantage of that approach. Looking somewhat like a sports car, it features tandem seating for two, an open-sided hull, and large hydrofoils that rotate 180 degrees when deployed, helping avoid the draft limitations associated with fixed foils. Powered by a 3.7 kilowatt electric motor and a pair of 5.2 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion batteries, the Q2S can reach speeds of more than 20 knots. More interestingly, it can lift onto its foils and glide above the water's surface. Seabob. What if you could explore beneath the surface with a compact electric watercraft designed for speed and maneuverability? The Seabob is an underwater scooter built to offer an exciting way to experience open water, with up to 120 minutes of operating time. With impressive maneuverability and the ability to dive to depths of up to 40 meters below the surface, the Seabob lets users explore the underwater world in a unique way. Its patented E-Jet power system operates using the principle of water displacement. Water is drawn into the system by a rapidly rotating impeller and then forced through a channel under high pressure. This creates the thrust that propels the Seabob forward, providing responsive movement through the water. Thanks to its electric technology, the system is designed to be environmentally friendly while also offering very low operating costs, making the Seabob an interesting addition to the growing world of electric watercraft.
Skyrider. Imagine a vehicle that can move from the ground into the air with almost no transition. The Skyrider X1, introduced in 2025, features a unique design that allows seamless movement between ground and air travel through its retractable wheels. With a flight speed of up to 100 km per hour and a flight time of up to 40 minutes, it offers a balance of performance and efficiency. Constructed from carbon fiber composite materials and aerospace-grade aluminum, the X1 is designed to combine durability with a lightweight structure. Its safety features include a triple redundant flight control system, an emergency parachute, and automated route planning. The X1 also includes a 50 kilowatt onboard DC charging station and provides manual control options, including joystick operation.
Super Nexus. What if a new type of rocket could dramatically change the way we explore deep space? Super Nexus is a bold concept for a nuclear-powered rocket designed to carry massive payloads and travel across vast distances. Super Nexus uses a nuclear thermal propulsion system that heats liquid hydrogen with a nuclear reactor and then expels it to generate powerful thrust. This approach is designed to be far more efficient than traditional chemical rockets, potentially cutting travel time to Mars by half and opening the possibility of deep space missions that were previously difficult to achieve. With its massive cargo capacity and long-range capabilities, Super Nexus could become an important vehicle for future moon bases, Mars exploration and settlement concepts, and even missions extending beyond our solar system. If successfully developed, it would represent a major step forward in space transportation, combining nuclear energy with advanced aerospace engineering to potentially take human exploration farther into the cosmos than ever before. And while Super Nexus represents a futuristic vision for deep space transportation, NASA's Europa Clipper mission is focused on exploring one of the most intriguing worlds in our own solar system. Super Nexus. What if a new type of rocket could dramatically change the way we explore deep space? Super Nexus is a bold concept for a nuclear-powered rocket designed to carry massive payloads and travel across vast distances. Super Nexus uses a nuclear thermal propulsion system that heats liquid hydrogen with a nuclear reactor and then expels it to generate powerful thrust. This approach is designed to be far more efficient than traditional chemical rockets, potentially cutting travel time to Mars by half and opening the possibility of deep space missions that were previously difficult to achieve. With its massive cargo capacity and long-range capabilities, Super Nexus could become an important vehicle for future moon bases, Mars exploration and settlement concepts, and even missions extending beyond our solar system. If successfully developed, it would represent a major step forward in space transportation, combining nuclear energy with advanced aerospace engineering to potentially take human exploration farther into the cosmos than ever before. And while Super Nexus represents a futuristic vision for deep space transportation, NASA's Europa Clipper mission is focused on exploring one of the most intriguing worlds in our own solar system. Super Nexus. What if a new type of rocket could dramatically change the way we explore deep space? Super Nexus is a bold concept for a nuclear-powered rocket designed to carry massive payloads and travel across vast distances. Super Nexus uses a nuclear thermal propulsion system that heats liquid hydrogen with a nuclear reactor and then expels it to generate powerful thrust. This approach is designed to be far more efficient than traditional chemical rockets, potentially cutting travel time to Mars by half and opening the possibility of deep space missions that were previously difficult to achieve. With its massive cargo capacity and long-range capabilities, Super Nexus could become an important vehicle for future moon bases, Mars exploration and settlement concepts, and even missions extending beyond our solar system. If successfully developed, it would represent a major step forward in space transportation, combining nuclear energy with advanced aerospace engineering to potentially take human exploration farther into the cosmos than ever before. And while Super Nexus represents a futuristic vision for deep space transportation, NASA's Europa Clipper mission is focused on exploring one of the most intriguing worlds in our own solar system. Super Nexus. What if a new type of rocket could dramatically change the way we explore deep space? Super Nexus is a bold concept for a nuclear-powered rocket designed to carry massive payloads and travel across vast distances. Super Nexus uses a nuclear thermal propulsion system that heats liquid hydrogen with a nuclear reactor and then expels it to generate powerful thrust. This approach is designed to be far more efficient than traditional chemical rockets, potentially cutting travel time to Mars by half and opening the possibility of deep space missions that were previously difficult to achieve. With its massive cargo capacity and long-range capabilities, Super Nexus could become an important vehicle for future moon bases, Mars exploration and settlement concepts, and even missions extending beyond our solar system. If successfully developed, it would represent a major step forward in space transportation, combining nuclear energy with advanced aerospace engineering to potentially take human exploration farther into the cosmos than ever before. And while Super Nexus represents a futuristic vision for deep space transportation, NASA's Europa Clipper mission is focused on exploring one of the most intriguing worlds in our own solar system. Super Nexus. What if a new type of rocket could dramatically change the way we explore deep space? Super Nexus is a bold concept for a nuclear-powered rocket designed to carry massive payloads and travel across vast distances. Super Nexus uses a nuclear thermal propulsion system that heats liquid hydrogen with a nuclear reactor and then expels it to generate powerful thrust. This approach is designed to be far more efficient than traditional chemical rockets, potentially cutting travel time to Mars by half and opening the possibility of deep space missions that were previously difficult to achieve. With its massive cargo capacity and long-range capabilities, Super Nexus could become an important vehicle for future moon bases, Mars exploration and settlement concepts, and even missions extending beyond our solar system. If successfully developed, it would represent a major step forward in space transportation, combining nuclear energy with advanced aerospace engineering to potentially take human exploration farther into the cosmos than ever before. And while Super Nexus represents a futuristic vision for deep space transportation, NASA's Europa Clipper mission is focused on exploring one of the most intriguing worlds in our own solar system. Super Nexus. What if a new type of rocket could dramatically change the way we explore deep space? Super Nexus is a bold concept for a nuclear-powered rocket designed to carry massive payloads and travel across vast distances. Super Nexus uses a nuclear thermal propulsion system that heats liquid hydrogen with a nuclear reactor and then expels it to generate powerful thrust. This approach is designed to be far more efficient than traditional chemical rockets, potentially cutting travel time to Mars by half and opening the possibility of deep space missions that were previously difficult to achieve. With its massive cargo capacity and long-range capabilities, Super Nexus could become an important vehicle for future moon bases, Mars exploration and settlement concepts, and even missions extending beyond our solar system. If successfully developed, it would represent a major step forward in space transportation, combining nuclear energy with advanced aerospace engineering to potentially take human exploration farther into the cosmos than ever before. And while Super Nexus represents a futuristic vision for deep space transportation, NASA's Europa Clipper mission is focused on exploring one of the most intriguing worlds in our own solar system. Super Nexus. What if a new type of rocket could dramatically change the way we explore deep space? Super Nexus is a bold concept for a nuclear-powered rocket designed to carry massive payloads and travel across vast distances. Super Nexus uses a nuclear thermal propulsion system that heats liquid hydrogen with a nuclear reactor and then expels it to generate powerful thrust. This approach is designed to be far more efficient than traditional chemical rockets, potentially cutting travel time to Mars by half and opening the possibility of deep space missions that were previously difficult to achieve. With its massive cargo capacity and long-range capabilities, Super Nexus could become an important vehicle for future moon bases, Mars exploration and settlement concepts, and even missions extending beyond our solar system. If successfully developed, it would represent a major step forward in space transportation, combining nuclear energy with advanced aerospace engineering to potentially take human exploration farther into the cosmos than ever before. And while Super Nexus represents a futuristic vision for deep space transportation, NASA's Europa Clipper mission is focused on exploring one of the most intriguing worlds in our own solar system. Toyota. What if the way we drive could completely change, with no traditional steering wheel or pedals? That's the idea behind the Toyota FV2, a futuristic vehicle designed to make driving feel more natural and interactive. First unveiled at the 2017 Tokyo Motor Show, the Toyota FV2 is a small, pod-like vehicle designed to be fun and engaging to drive. The FV2 is powered by an electric motor and has a range of around 120 miles, making it an interesting example of future personal transportation. The FV2 is unique in several ways. First, it is designed to be driven while standing up. Instead of using a conventional steering wheel, the driver controls the vehicle through body movements. Leaning forward makes the vehicle accelerate, leaning left or right allows it to turn, and leaning backward brings it to a stop. This unusual design is intended to make driving feel more intuitive, natural, and engaging. But the FV2 goes beyond its unconventional driving position. It also uses several advanced technologies to create a more connected and personalized driving experience. The vehicle features a head-up display that provides useful information such as speed, navigation, and traffic conditions, allowing important details to remain within the driver's view. It also includes facial recognition technology that can detect the driver's mood and adjust the vehicle's settings accordingly, creating a more personalized experience behind the controls. And from this futuristic standing vehicle, we move to another unusual electric concept. This is an electric commercial hoverboard developed by Aka Space Corporation. It is powered by 36 electric ducted fans, creating a unique propulsion system designed to lift and move the platform.
XTURISMO. What happens when a futuristic motorcycle leaves the road and takes to the air? The XTURISMO offers a glimpse of what personal air mobility could look like. This sleek futuristic vehicle is powered by a gasoline-electric hybrid engine, reaching speeds of up to 62 miles per hour, or 100 kilometers per hour, while offering around 40 minutes of flight time on a single charge. It is also capable of carrying a rider weighing up to 220 pounds. The XTURISMO comes equipped with advanced sensors and cutting-edge technology designed to provide enhanced safety and stability. Priced at around $777,000, this high-end